How to share others video story on your story on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can share others video story to your own story on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To share others video story, there are most likely two ways that you can do it. One is that if you're mentioned in the story, you can directly add the story to your own story by tapping the add this to your story button. But this only works if you're mentioned in the story. But if you're not mentioned in someone else's story and then you want to share the video story, the only thing you can do is, however, just try to take a screen recording or download it. So you can just try to screen record the specific story by just tapping the option called screen record that you can see over here. So just go ahead and tap the screen recorder and just go ahead and begin the recording. Once you've begun the recording, basically what you want to do is, you can see, basically you can just go ahead and start recording the story from the end to the finish, and then just tap the done button once you're done. Then once you're done, you can go ahead and edit that footage if you want, or else what you can also try to do is just go ahead and select the specific video story and then add them to your own story, just like this, as you can see here. This is simply how you can add someone else's video story to your own story on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.